First impressions of this portable vacuum: lightweight, easy to hold, plastic, durable feeling, looks like it's well made overall. Grip super easy to hold at a little over a pound, easy to use. It's about 13 inches long, 3 inches wide, so I feel like it can fit a lot of tight spaces as well. Here is the release of all the stuff it collects, so easy to open. I can easily shift that out. That's the filter that's hidden there, and then you just slide it back on and twist. USB-C slot for fast charging. Battery lasts 30 minutes on the lower power setting and 18 minutes on the higher one. Holding this on, and it comes on right away. It has 2 levels. Level 1, 9,000 pascals for hair. Level 2, 17,000 pascals for small tiny particles. It does come with a variety of attachments to help. This is the extension. You can slide these converters in, and then the extension kit into the end of that, and then any other attachment at the end. So it really does lengthen the use of this overall, extending additional 13 inches to a total of about 2 feet in your hand before the attachment is added. Crevice nozzle, and you really do get some extended reach, which is nice, particularly in vehicles, I feel like. And disassembling and switching out the parts just as easy, just a little bit of force and you're good to go. Here I'm switching it out with the brush attachment. I really like this for little small stuff like spices and things of that nature too in the kitchen. And I really like using just this attachment like this for the corner crevices and stairs. We have carpeted stairs and it's really hard to get in that little niche in the corner. This thing works great for that. And what's a vacuum without a little test? I love testing vacuums out with pepper just because you can actually see the results. So we're gonna touch the power on to see the indicator light come on. We see the light activate and the sound. And oh yeah, that thing, that's great. It's even on power 1. It was very, very good with suction. And let's test the suction quality when an attachment is added, turning it off. And let's grab that brush attachment and kind of repeat with the pepper as well. As you can see, it did collect a lot in there and it's storing it nicely. It's not going all over the place. Yeah, it's just picking it all right up. No issues there. And let's check cleanup. I just placed a napkin down and I'm dumping out the contents. Came right out, but pepper is really sticky, so it does come with this included little brush attachment. I actually like to prefer cleaners for straws, so let's try that. Here's a very simple bristle brush cleaner, and I can pull out the filter. Not dirty yet, but this works really great. It's for straws, and it just fits right around and cleans things nicely. So that's a nice little hack. And let's go try this in the car. I do love the light automatically comes on, so when I'm cleaning in a dark garage, I can still see what I'm doing. Yep, working great in the car too. Love that it's cordless. Thanks to the seller for sending this over. Overall, very pleased with this small vacuum.